Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the best products to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into one of the most impressive solutions for tough leaks and repairs, the Gorilla Waterproof Patch and Seal Tape. If you're looking for the best underwater tape for pools, this product is exactly what you need. This tape does it all, from patching up holes in pool liners to fixing leaks in rubber, plastic, and vinyl surfaces. But what makes this tape so special? Well, first off, it's completely waterproof. Whether you're dealing with a leak in your pool, a broken tarp, or even a crack in your boat, this tape provides a permanent seal that keeps water out, even underwater. Yes, you heard that right. This tape works in water, which makes it the ultimate solution for any pool repair needs. Now, let's talk about the features that set it apart. Gorilla Waterproof Patch and Seal Tape comes with an extra thick adhesive layer that creates a strong, lasting bond with just one application. It's designed to instantly seal out air, water, and moisture, making it perfect for use in both indoor and outdoor environments. Whether it's raining, shining, or even submerged in water, this tape stays intact and gets the job done. One of the things we love about this tape is its versatility. It works on a wide variety of surfaces, including wood, metal, rubber, plastic, and more. It's perfect for home, auto, marine, and camping repairs, and it's even effective in outdoor environments like RVs and tents. Whether you're fixing a leaky roof, sealing a crack in a pool liner, or dealing with any other repair, this tape has you covered. What makes it even better is the UV-resistant backing, which prevents it from yellowing over time, meaning it will stay looking great and continue to work just as effectively for years. Plus, it can handle extreme temperatures, ranging from -70 degrees Fahrenheit to 180 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's ideal for all kinds of weather conditions. The application process is simple and straightforward. All you have to do is clean the surface, cut the tape to size, and apply it to the area that needs repair. Once you've removed the release liner, press it down firmly, and that's it. You don't need to worry about repositioning the tape, so make sure you get it right the first time. It's a quick fix that's permanent and hassle-free. For best results, make sure the surface is clean, smooth, and non-porous, as water trapped under the tape or wrinkles in the material can affect its performance. Remember, this tape is not designed for high-pressure applications like garden hoses or automotive uses under the hood, and it might not work well with silicone or water-repellent materials. If you're someone who needs to fix leaks in pools, tents, RVs, or other outdoor items, this Gorilla Waterproof Patch and Seal Tape is a game-changer. It's not just for pools, though, it's the ultimate multi-purpose waterproof tape for just about any leak or crack. So, whether you're tackling a quick repair job or need something that will hold up under extreme conditions, Gorilla Waterproof Patch and Seal Tape will get the job done right. It's the best waterproof, all-surface tape you'll find, and it's here to make your repairs easy, fast, and permanent. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more reviews and tips on the best products out there. Until next time, stay patched and sealed.